Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to build the Lincoln Continental 1965 3-in-1 convertible customizing kit. I think I'm going to build it, I'm not sure, I'm either going to do it stock or custom, and this will be the first time I'm building this kit, so be interested to see how it turns out. 8122 is the part number for the particular model. Came out in 1997. If you go back in the channel and find the unboxing video on it, you'll see all the goodies that are included. So I will get all the parts set out here. I already opened the box and laid them out, but I'll go ahead and separate them and get back to you in just a minute. Well, not a whole lot of parts to this kit, folks. I even have the chrome out here. The glass is sitting on the side here next to me. And because it's a convertible, there's only a windshield, and that's it. Not even vent windows on this one. Although the kit, no vent windows. That surprises me. Unless the windshield itself goes all the way around. That's what probably is going on there. So, get on to separating into separate components and start building or assembly, whatever you want to call it. And I'll be back when I come up with something interesting on this kit. Alrighty. I appreciate you stopping by. Back in a few. Well, there you have it, folks. This is the completion of the 1965 Lincoln Continental convertible AMT kit. Got a little bit of custom work on the back end here. Added fender skirts. Thought that was kind of neat. But I have to say, this is one of the most difficult kits I've ever built. It was a toughie. There was a lot of fitment issues. A lot of things didn't really make sense as far as the instruction goes, so you got to kind of figure it out yourself. A little dust there. So, I'm glad to get this one in the books. Stay tuned for a future video where you see what I did with the roof panel, because this kit came with an option where you can make it into a station wagon, but I used it on another vehicle. You'll see that in a coming video. All in all, turned out nice considering all the difficulty I had with it. I went with a gray metallic for the interior that originally I purchased the paint to do the wheels on the 70 and a half Camaro, and that build, you'll see that build probably next, and that was the most difficult build. That one there, I'll tell you about that in the video when it comes. But this one here's one for the books. I'd open the hood, but man, I'm scared I'll break it off. I'm telling you, this kit was really, it fought me all the way. Oh, here we go. Alright, so not a whole lot going on in there. I don't know if I can get the light to shine in there just right. Minimal detail, pretty much box stock. Well, okay. So, so that's it, folks. This one's going on the shelf, but somewhere way in the back, you know. Alrighty, guys. I thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you're having a great new year. I'm making this video at the end of 2024, and you'll probably see it in January. So, hope you all had a safe and happy holiday. And let's keep on modeling.